In this video, I want to show you how to change the hard disk in a Dell laptop. First of all, the laptop needs to be shut down completely, not just in sleep mode, but shut down. Then you have to remove the battery. It's better to remove the battery to avoid static electricity for the disk. And then Dell laptops usually have their hard disk here on the side. So it has two screws that we need to remove, 4 screws actually. So let's remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. So this laptop already had these 2 screws removed. I just removed these, and now with a little bit of force just slide the hard disk like this, and it's usually in the casing as it is here. As you see, it has a screw on this bracket. Let's remove it also. And then all we need to do is attach this bracket to the new hard disk. So this bracket here has something to go into the disk, and here there's a screw. So careful not to break it. Let's see how the disk goes in. As you see, there's a large connector and a smaller connector here. Look inside the laptop to see where the large connector goes and where the smaller connector goes. And here we see that the smaller connector is on the left. So align the disk like this, and then put this back, the bracket like this, and screw it on with the screw that we just removed from the other disk. Here it is, screwed, and then slide the disk gently and it should click in place. And put back the external screws to hold the disk in its place. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.